A number of you have messaged me saying you are not able to connect your Boya BY M1 mic, which is the entry-level lavalier mic with iPhone 11, 12 and 13, which doesn't come with a 3.5mm jack. I have created a previous video showing how this can be enabled, but again the question was, I probably seem to be using a different app, which is actually Filmic Pro, and people said this will not work with the default iPhone camera. In today's video, I will show you this actually works with iPhone camera. I will try to show you the step-by-step process, also create a recording in front of you and play it out. Of course, what you need for enabling that is you need an iPhone, you need the lavalier mic, and what you also need is this small cable. This cable is the 3.5mm jack plus lightning cable. It is called, I think, lightning to 3.5mm jack converter cable. In India, it retails for around INR 900 rupees. It may not be available everywhere, so try googling it and searching out where this cable is available. So what you need to do is you of course need the Boya mic, right, as I said, and you need to have this end of Boya mic, which is 3.5mm jack, and then you need to attach it to the 3.5mm female adapter of the lightning to 3.5mm jack converter. Then what you need to do is you need to of course take the iPhone and insert the lightning cable in the jack. So with that, this setup becomes complete. But one thing that a number of people miss is over here there is a small button. So if you see this Boya BY M1 mic, and you should be able to see it now, there's a button which says camera and off/smartphone. A number of people keep this at camera, and you can see that it turns light green at the bottom. Well, you may not be able to see it over here, but what you need to do is you need to put it on to off/camera smartphone. Make sure that you do that. You do not keep it on the camera setting. The camera setting is when you're using it with a digital camera. When you're using it with your iPhone, make sure you keep the setting like this. Once you have done that, this is ready to work. And I'll show you, I'll just open the camera app. So here I've opened the camera app. You can see it over here. I have attached the cable, and I'm going to be now speaking something. So let me hit the record button. So I've hit the record button and now it is recording, and well, it's not coming very clearly because of the camera exposures, but it is recording, right? And how I will come to know is when I will play that. So let me just now stop the recording and I'm gonna just play it out for you. Button, and now it is recording, and well, it's not coming very clearly because of the camera exposures, but it is recording, right? And how I will come to know is, so what you need to also do is to hear this back, you need to take out this cable. If you don't take out the cable, you will not hear back. And also how you can hear is, for example, if I put the cable in and I press on the play button, you won't hear the sound, and that's the problem that a lot of people are facing. What you can also do is you can also remove the 3.5mm jack of the Boya BY M1 cable or the mic, and then if you play this video, so I've hit the record button, it still works, right? So you need to make sure that the jack is disconnected so that iPhone detects that. So you need to make sure that the jack is disconnected and the iPhone detects that there is no way how it can transform or how it can transmit the voice to that particular sound source, and hence you can hear it from the speakers of your iPhone. So that's a very simple technique how you can use your iPhone 13, 12, 11 or any iPhone which doesn't have a 3.5mm jack and connect that to Boya BY M1 lavalier mic. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask me in the comment section below, and if this video has helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, because that's how YouTube knows that this channel is helping you out. Thank you very much, and I'll be there with you in another video very soon.